We are talking with a legal expert to answer some of the questions about the laws in North Carolina following the tragic death of a young dancer in the Raleigh Christmas parade. The driver, 20-year-old Landon Christopher Glass, now facing misdemeanor death by motor vehicle charges, careless and reckless driving, improper equipment, unsafe movement, and carrying a firearm in a parade. Joining us now to break all this down is Irv Joyner, a law professor at NC Central University. Irv, thank you for joining us. I know you're on the phone. Let's talk first up about all the comments and questions that we have been receiving about why the driver is being charged if it was in fact a machinery malfunction here and it wasn't intentional. Can you give us some insight about that?
Well, in North Carolina, as in most states, a person who is in control of a motor vehicle is required to ensure that the machinery operates in the manner that it was intended to. And that would mean making sure that all of the equipment is in order and that the car can do those things necessary to prevent injury to other individuals. And the braking system is a very important part of that. And where a person is negligent or reckless in not maintaining the brakes and the brakes go out, then they are liable to those individuals who are injured as a result of that failure to comply with that statutory obligation.
Okay, let's talk also about what this driver may be facing with these charges, if you can comment on that.
Well, the charges that have been filed thus far are basically misdemeanors. The most serious one being death by vehicle, which would subject him to a sentence and exposure of up to 75 days in jail.
Professor Joyner, thank you so much for your insight. Appreciate your time, sir.